my boy Dax up in Canada.
Ice summer, hey. Count up a check. Ice summer, hey.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing a recreation of Kylie Jenner, and this is the photo that I will be actually recreating right here. Also, I will be trying to blow dry my hair. You guys know I always straighten or curl my hair with only a straightener, and if you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know. But today I will be trying to blow dry my hair. I've never actually tried to blow dry my hair. So yeah, this will be our first time together. The brand I will be using today, and no, this is not a sponsored video, and my mom actually bought this so we could try together. So this is the Lingerie box. So yeah, this is the box. It's really big. I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside, but not only that, we're gonna be trying out their products. And I've never blow dried my hair like I had said, but like today we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see if it actually works. What comes inside is this really pretty comb brush. I've watched a video actually before this to actually know what the heck I'm going into. So we have that, and then we also have the blow dryer. This is how it looks. My mom actually just put this one in. You can take this off. This is just a little clip. This is how the tools look. This is it right here. It also comes with the straightener. The straightener is really pretty. And then this is the on and off, and you put it higher or lower. And then this is like the temperature it would tell right here. It's really matte. I like the feel of all of these products. Then we have the thermal heat humidity tamer. So this is the tamer. I will use this on my hair. And then we have the salt and sea spray. So this is like once you're done doing your hair, you just apply some for the texture of your hair and all of that. Then we have some, what the heck? Oh, we have a curler. So we also have a curler in here, and this is like the little wand, and it also comes with two of the tools. And then we also have a glove and the instructions. So today we're just going to be blow drying, and if it goes wrong, we always have a straightener or curler in hand. So this is a little disclaimer. Please do not copy what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time. I will leave a link down below of who I'm actually watching to guide me throughout this blow drying little sesh. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not professional. I will make mistakes. I'm learning, and yeah, that's my little disclaimer. So I actually got put you guys a little bit higher so we can be a little bit closer as well. The way I'm gonna part my hair is how I usually do it. I've seen her do it like this. So we're gonna part our hair, and I'm gonna part it again because I still think this is a little too big. And then I'm gonna use my clips. The clips I actually use, I got them at TJ Maxx. I got these. It came in a pack of, I think it was 6 or 7. The way I'm gonna do my hair, and the way I learned from this video, is you twist your hair and you just down and up, down and up. We're gonna try this out. I don't know what got me down. June blows, yeah, I got the June blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you can use what I have so far. I'm gonna finish the rest, and once I get to the top of my hair, I'll come back. So this is how my blow dried hair looks. It looks really puffy and like I don't like it. So the reason I do not like it is because in the back it's like way too puffy. I can obviously like add whatever I want, like a good hairstyle, but I'm debating whether I should actually just go on ahead and use my straightener and like straighten and curl the insides. So yeah, we're gonna figure that out. Yeah, I'm done with my hair. This is how it looks. I know if it looks the same, sorry, but this is my look. I am gonna clip my hair back because now we're gonna finally go into makeup. I know, oh my gosh, it's literally been like 2 hours doing my hair, but I really like it. I did use the straightener and I used the blow dryer for the bottom half and the straightener for the top half because my hair on the bottom half is very like, it's natural, and then the top of my half of my hair is dead. So yeah, that's just the honesty of my hair right now. I am deciding to dye my hair. I'm gonna dye it like a brown honey color. I'm gonna do layers, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I will do a whole other video about that. Before, I actually forgot, before we clip my hair back, I'm gonna put on the spray. This is how it looks. Spray, we're just gonna, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it does smell like the ocean. It smells amazing. And now we're gonna get into the makeup look. Yeah, I'm just excited to start my makeup now. It's been a fat minute. So for my primer, usually I would use my face lotion, but today I'm going to use my oils. So my face oils is one for the eyes and then one for my whole face. So I'm actually planning to do a video of TJ Maxx finds. I know I see a lot of like Instagram finds, like vendors, or I also see videos of like 99-cent store, but I don't really see TJ Maxx finds. I find everything at TJ Maxx. Like literally people are sleeping on TJ Maxx. I don't know what I would do without them. Like without that store, I would be spending money like crazy. The reason I love my face oils is because I feel like my moisturizers, because I don't buy very expensive moisturizers, I use the Olay one. The reason I like my face oils is because like it's not tacky. I feel like my face lotion is very like sticky and tacky, and my oils just like sink into my skin, and it's just like, it gives me that glowy look when I do my foundation and all of that. So that is why I prefer using face oils. So actually for this video I'm going to do it a little bit different. Usually I would do I would do my eye makeup first, but today we're going to do a little bit different, and I'm going to do my base face makeup first. I'm going to beat my face, and then we're going to get into eye makeup and eyebrows last. Yes, I know that's so crazy for me to say, because I always, like, even on my Instagram videos, I do always my eyes first, and that's like the first thing you see, and then I get into my face. But I feel like I should switch it up, try something new today. Why not? The reason being I really don't do my face makeup first is because I get to like wipe off my eyeshadow, or like I take my time on my eyebrows, but I also feel like that just takes up a lot of time. And yeah, we're gonna try something new today. So let's get on to our face. The next thing I'm gonna do is put on my primer. The primer I use is from e.l.f. So I do use both of these e.l.f. I use the Poreless Putty primer, but I also use the hydrating face primer as well. Yeah, my face has been very, very dry, so I like using the hydrating one. I'm going to now put on my foundation. So for my foundations, I have 3 different types. I either use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline foundation, or the MAC foundation. So for the MAC, it is a little too dark. And then for the Maybelline Matte Poreless, it's a little like too dark, but then it's also too light on some parts of my face. So the best bet that I like personally is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation. That's like my favorite foundation. So I'm going to use my brush just for this video, just to be a little bit extra. So I'm just going around my lips. I am going to use my favorite lip balm. Someone actually sent me this. Oh my gosh, it's a lip balm called Rose, and I'll leave their link below. They actually sell these lip balms on Instagram. It is my favorite lip balm. So it's hard at first, like it's like a regular like lip balm, but when you put it on, it's like a gloss. It like melts onto your lips, and it's just like my favorite thing. It smells so good. So now that we have that, I am going to go in with my sponge and blend it out. Even though it did give me a flawless finish, like there's no like lines, you know, when you do your foundation there's like lines. I don't have that. So now that we have our foundation, I'm gonna be using my concealer. The concealer I use is either use the 24-hour Studio Fix from MAC, or I use my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo. For this video, I am gonna use my MAC Studio Fix. I am running out, and I'm so sad. I did get this on a sale day. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this concealer so much. So for blending this all out, I know I look really crazy, but for blending this all out, I actually use my little sponges. You can get this anywhere, honestly. I got them at Target. So now I'm gonna bake. So for baking my face, I either use the Airspun. This is like my go-to, literally my go-to, my OG translucent powder. I literally forgot. Translucent powder. But today I'm going to be using the Lock-It translucent powder. So for her eyes, she does have a cut crease. I'm gonna be using Of the Essence palette. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So my camera actually like just froze on me. I think this is a better setup than what I had. I'm not sure if I want to go to this setup. I don't know if I want to like do this setup, but we're gonna try it out. Yeah, we're gonna just try this out. So I am doing my this airplane. So like I had said, we are using this shade right here. I'm gonna put this all over my eye, but I'm not touching my inner corners because I'm gonna leave that space for the mini shade she has. For her inner corner, I see that she does have a lighter shade of brown. So I am turning 18. I don't know if some of you guys know it or not. I am turning 18, and I'm so like excited but anxious at the same time. I want to work at MAC or I want to work at Sephora. Sephora is like my goal, but I'm also gonna apply for like other makeup stores because I know like not everyone is gonna, well, I know I have a chance of not making it into Sephora, so I do have my backups, but that is my goal. Also, I've been thinking about college and whether or not I want to do makeup, and of course obviously I do have a small YouTube channel and Instagram, so I'm going to be looking for like scout agencies to like maybe get me out there more, but not only that, obviously I'm thinking about college. I'm gonna do community college and I want to do business and financing because overall I do want to have my own lash line, and it's not just a temporarily lash line. I do want to have it as my business. I'll be back when I do my eyeliner and my eyebrows, and yeah. So I did push my hair back. I did put on the perfect lashes. I think I chose like a really good choice. Now we're gonna contour our face. I did already put on blush, but then I was like, wait, I didn't even contour, so we're not gonna do that. So I do use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. I did need a darker shade, so I'm gonna go get that, but I think for now this is fine. So we are now finished with the look. I am gonna do her iconic shade for her lips. I do have a few lip shades that I want to try. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. I do want to just put this on the outer part of my lip. So it's a butter, guys, so I'm gonna use the KC lip gloss. And that's the finished look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. My cat!